Karrahbooo did drop. I'm being honest. I'm gonna be honest right now. Because now Yachty's not around. Okay, Yachty is not here. There's no more writing. Because apparently that's what's going on. Apparently he was writing. Let's see how good it is. Okay, let's at least see how good it is. If it's ass, I'll say it's ass. But it's like it shouldn't be ass. Okay? Let's see how this is sounding from Karrahbooo. There's no way it's ass. There's literally no way. Let's check it out.
Bitch mad, I got the fuck bitch you control. Damn, you can ask a million times, I'm still gonna tell you no. Leave emotions out the business, get this money from my folks. Okay. I got weed inside my purse, but you can still pass me.
Nigga, I thought this was Lil Yachty. This nigga wears the same type of hats and shit.
Leave emotions out the business, get this money from.
This nigga wears the same type of hats as Lil Yachty. I thought this was him. I was like, damn, what happened? I thought the nigga was just on IG Live wildin'.
From my folks. Okay. I got weed inside my purse, but you can still pass me the roach. I ain't hitting no one in months, my friends are fan proud of my growth. Give a fuck about a train. I might pop out vintage coach. I might pop out with your friend. I might pop out in Chanel brooch. I might block you for you send the text. I don't do back and forth. When it comes to dubbing niggas, I got the most out control. Not telling niggas no, they shoot shots. I wouldn't be on the out to make sense.
I gotta be able to know what you're saying though. I'm not gonna lie. I gotta be able to know what you're saying though.
Out in Chanel brooch. I might block you for you send the text. I don't do back and forth.
Oh, never know. You feel what I'm saying? Like, I do have to know what you're saying. I'm not gonna lie. I haven't caught one bar yet.
When it comes to dubbing niggas, I got the most out control. Not telling niggas.
When it comes to dubbing niggas, I got the most. I almost caught a full bar now. When it comes to dubbing niggas, I got the something.
I don't do back and forth. When it comes to dubbing niggas, I got the most out control.
I got the most something for sure. Almost got the full bar though, so we could clap it up for that. Almost got the full bar out of her.
Telling niggas no, they shoot shots, I wouldn't be on them. How to make sense out of the book, cause I don't need no extra drama. Nigga begging when they see me looking slow. I'm too busy with big mama on the road.
Wait, this is a good method though. This is a good method. Yachty is not writing for me anymore. I have no writer at the moment. Why don't I just mumble on the beat? That's like literally. Why don't I just mumble on the beat? I mean, no one's writing right now. Let me just mumble and they could see what happens. I think I'm catching her drift right here. There's no one writing at the moment, so you see what I'm saying though.
Not telling niggas no, they shoot shots, I wouldn't be on them. How to make sense out of the book, cause I don't need no extra drama. Nigga begging when they see me looking slow. I'm too busy with big mama on the road. I'm too locked inside the booth, trying to go. I'm backstage for a show, get in my modes. I don't say too much.
Damn. See, when you look at it that way, let's just mumble and see what happens. That shit's starting to sound hard though.
I'm too locked inside the booth, trying to go. I'm backstage for a show, get in my modes. I don't say too much, cause I know shit gon' unfold on its own. Sad, bro. Got these bitches mad, I got the fuck bitch you control. You can ask a million times, I'm still gonna tell you no. Leave emotions out the business, get this money from my folks. Okay. I got weed inside my purse, but you can still pass me the roach. I ain't hitting no one in months, my friends are fan proud of my growth. Give a fuck about a train. I might pop out vintage coach. I might pop out with your friend. I might pop out in Chanel brooch. What? Go.
Talk about and that's the video.
Ew. Clap it up right there. I'm never playing that song again, but I like the method she's going with. I think I finally understand the method that she chose to go with.